Hi there, I am your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today we learn about herbal and natural remedies for shingles relief, healing and prevention. But first, make sure to check out the disclaimer in the description below before using herbal treatments. If you're dealing with shingles or you want to know how to protect yourself naturally, today's video will guide you through powerful herbal and natural remedies that may ease nerve pain, reduce inflammation, calm itching, and support your body's recovery process. Shingles can be extremely painful, but the good news is, several natural remedies can soothe the skin, support nerve health, and help the body fight the virus more effectively. Shingles, also known as herpes zoster, is caused by the varicella zoster virus, the same virus that causes chickenpox. After you recover from chickenpox, the virus hides in your nerves and can reactivate later in life due to stress, lowered immunity, illness, medication, or aging. Common symptoms include burning or tingling pain, band-like rash on one side of the body, blisters, itching, nerve pain that can last months, known as postherpetic neuralgia. Let's discuss the top herbal remedies for shingles relief. 1. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. Lemon balm is antiviral and soothing. Apply cooled lemon balm tea using a cotton pad. This helps reduce pain, itching, and virus activity on the skin. 2. Licorice root, Glycyrrhiza glabra, known for strong antiviral effects. Make a paste. Mix licorice root powder with warm water or aloe gel. Apply thinly to affected areas. Caution: avoid if you have high blood pressure unless cleared by your doctor. 3. Aloe vera gel plus peppermint oil. This combo cools burning and reduces inflammation. Mix 1 tablespoon aloe vera with 1 drop peppermint oil. Apply lightly, do not block the rash. 4. St. John's wort oil, for nerve pain. Extremely effective for nerve-related pain. Massage lightly around, not on, the blistered area. Supports nerve healing and reduces sharp, shooting pain. 5. Oatmeal and chamomile compress. Reduces itching, calms inflammation, helps soothe sensitive, irritated skin. Make a compress with warm chamomile tea and oatmeal water, then dab gently on the rash. 6. Manuka honey. Natural antiviral and antibacterial and a skin healer. Apply a thin layer to dry lesions after blistering stage. Promotes faster wound healing. 7. Vitamins and natural support. Vitamin C, boosts immune response, reduces severity. Vitamin B12, supports nerve repair. Lysine, helps suppress virus activity. Zinc, boosts healing and immunity. Magnesium, calms nerve pain and muscle tension. Now for some prevention tips. To help prevent shingles outbreaks and strengthen your immune system naturally. Lower stress with meditation or nature walks, sleep 7 to 9 hours, eat antiviral foods. Garlic, ginger, green tea and turmeric. Strengthen immunity with mushrooms like reishi or turkey tail. Stay hydrated, avoid sugar and processed foods that weaken the immune system. Like, share and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more herbal wisdom. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. Important medical disclaimer. I am not a doctor, dietitian, nutritionist, or qualified healthcare professional. All content on naturefirstremedies.com, the Nature First Remedies YouTube channel, and related social media is for informational, educational purposes only and is not medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your physician, licensed herbalist, or qualified healthcare provider before making health, diet, or nutrition decisions. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before using herbs, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medication. Never disregard or delay professional medical advice based on this content. Use caution with any recipes shared. The creator assumes no liability for adverse reactions or consequences from using this information.